Hey, what's up guys? It's Fetal here. Got a video for you here today. I'm going to be going over how I fixed my gmmk 3 Pro, but this should apply to most, if not all, mechanical keyboards, considering it's kind of similar how they work. So, I'm going to get this taken apart, and I'll get into this. Okay, so we've got this taken apart. You can see my nasty ass solder job, but it works, so I'm not gonna complain. So anyway, let's get into this. Let's name the pins. We're gonna look at this one. All the keys work, but I'm just using this one for example. So left pin, pin A. Right pin, pin B. So basically what you want to do is you got to find out which pin is bad on your switch. For me, on all of them, it was pin A. But you never know. So basically what I did was, hold on, let me get my tweezers. Okay. So basically what I did was I took my tweezers, but you could do this with anything really, anything metal. And so say I don't know what pin is bad, but let's jump pin B from here to pin A here. And that would get us a key switch. Key press, sorry. I don't have this plugged in, so nothing's going to happen. But obviously when you're probing around trying to figure out what pin is bad, you're going to want to have your keyboard plugged in and just watch what you're shorting. You only want to be shorting either pin A or pin B to pin A or pin B of another switch. Don't fuck with any of these other, because the LED's here, got diode here, a bunch of other stuff over here. For the case of my F10 and all of these, I had to use a long piece of wire to jump between pin A here and pin B here. But, it's not always going to be jumped to the next switch over. Let's see, 1, 2. So this one worked. This is 3, so this one didn't work. So 3 had to be jumped to 2. What I did was I jumped 3 to 2. That got 3 working. 4 to 3. Then, let's see, 6 to 5. Because 5 worked. And I had to do a bit of finagling because I tried jumping 7 to 6, pins A to pin A. And when I did that, I forget what key was registered, but it was not 7. So that's why it's trial and error, and why you want to have the keyboard plugged in and be probing it, with a key tester up like that. And you want to make sure the correct key is being registered when you short pin A on one key to pin B on another. But anyway, once you determine which pin is bad, like I said earlier, in my case, it was pin A on all of them. 2, 3, wait, no, 2 is good. On 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, F5, F10. It was pin A on all those keys. Your mileage may vary, but I've most commonly seen this online being pin A. I don't know why. None of this makes any sense to me. I just solder here, you know. But anyway, to fix it, you just solder a wire. Oh no, I just broke this one. That's okay. I'll resolder it when I'm done with this video because my soldering iron has to be plugged in and heated up. But, well. That's fine. But yeah, you just pin A, pin A. That's all you do. And it took me probably about 2 hours total to do this. Which sounds like a lot for all that is, but it was a lot of trial and error. So, yeah, that's how you fix your keyboard if there are keys not registering, if it's a mechanical keyboard. This should work for even non-hot swappable keyboards. It's just the pins are soldered, or the switches are soldered to the board rather than having these hot swap sockets. For example, this K70, this dirty ass K70, it would work on that if I was having problems with it. But yeah, so hopefully you guys can use all this information to hopefully fix your keyboard. I hope I explained things well enough. I kind of rambled a lot. I'm still rambling. So, yeah, I'm gonna get my iron heated up and fix that one wire, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, you know, the video's over. I forgot I wanted to give credit to the Reddit guide I used for fixing my keyboard. So thank you to this 11-year-old thread from Danny J. Vaz on r/mechanical keyboards. You the homie. I don't know if you even, do mechanical keyboard stuff anymore, but you the homie. So, yeah, see you guys.